Hello everyone, konnichiwa, manaun, buenos dias. Hello zusammen. Today is a very good day to talk about my setup, so let's get started. Let's review my setup of editing video. So right now I just open this bag, take different piece we need. Right now, let's just deploy the tripod. It's a very good material we need for every editing video. You can use it with your camera in every context and environment. Right now, we can see the ring light. It's very interesting for your lighting environment. I discovered it and it changed my editing video. Right now, let's review the different box we have. Here we have the gimbals, the different Canon camera, and the sound material we need for our project. Now we are just put this LG screen here. This size is very interesting. So put this LG here for this example. To work on the both computer and another TV screen and to connect the both material are very interesting. Right now, let's see the box. In this box we have right now USB key and connected tools we need for editing video. You need a very strong memory of hard drive, and I use different hard drive to stock every project you are going to design in the future. Right now, let's see this box thing. I talked about the DJI OM4SE in the previous video. If you are interested to know more about this industrial design project, I discovered this interesting project to edit my video I built right now. This industrial design project changed the quality of my editing video. Quickly, how to use these gimbals, moving your mobile phone. To invest in your editing video equipment is very precious for your time, mastering abilities and skills as industrial designer, artist, a content creator. This DJI OM4SE is very interesting for beginner user who want to experience this industrial design project. It's very important to be in immersion with sound design and emotions you could feel. 3 tools could change your the quality of your editing video. First of all, we have this earphone. People use this everywhere. It's a similar product you could find in the market. Other product is the reason why I find the wireless or Bluetooth earphone without cable. I discovered this product. It changed my immersion. The difference between the both products, quality of design sound, you could feel interesting tools. I just buy this wireless and Bluetooth product without cable. The sound, you have very powerful design sound and quality of the sound you hear with this industrial design product makes the difference for every project I work on for my editing future project. Headphone is very interesting to be in immersion, to feel emotions, frequency, vibration, positive energy. It's englobe your head. At the time, everything is perfect for me, and it makes it easy to work in a very good, sensitive context, immersion context with wireless or Bluetooth tools. Which option you really need for your project? Don't forget to compare the different industrial design products you can see in the supermarket, because there are different interesting and powerful, amazing brand you can see. It's very important to consider. ARTGRID and ARTLIST are the power tools I will use for my next editing video. I need more emotion. I need to connect myself with people. Feel the vibration, energy, the good vibe are very important for a future editing video. These both tools, ARTGRID and ARTLIST, change everything, change the connection I have with my work. This new project I start for a few times, and right now I continue to invest in this big project because it's very important for me. Whatever all you need to be patient to learn about abilities and skills you need to improve yourself, to improve your master. It's a long process. It was a very good time to change my life and to start every project I start right now.
Right now, it's just 6 o'clock a.m. It's a very good time to invest on my project. It's the reason why I get up earlier, and right now I just work in my next editing video. I will share you. We have a few time, just 24 hours a day to finish this project, so I just need to discipline myself and to push me to finish this project because it's very important.
I love to experience the workflow because it's very powerful. In working, at the time everything is possible. At the time there's no more time, no more distraction, no more things you can block my brain, my creativity, and how I feel, the emotions, the vibration, the energy I feel. Be in immersion with workflow is very interesting to experience as a human being. About the storytelling, discover these power tools change my vision of my editing video. Try to understand how I could make the balance between my personal life and my professional life. When I finished my master's degree in industrial design, I discovered the self-investment. In the pandemic time, I started to invest on this big project of editing video and industrial design project. At that time, to live this experience and adversity was a very good opportunity for me to change and to become better. Right now, make the review of the important points. Let's get started. Number 1, you don't need to be perfect to start some things, to start a new project, to start your career, everything you want. It's just about your process, and for this, you need time to be patient. It's very important to consider your potential you have, who people you are, your singularity, to start big things. I believe in you, I believe in your potential, just believe in yourself. Number 2, sound design. I discovered ARTGRID and ARTLIST. These both amazing tools. It makes a difference with emotion, workflow, and a digital designer, editing, video maker, a content creator, in the same time improve the quality of my editing video. Number 3, the power of storytelling. Share my story. It was a very good way to start. I tried to find this connection with people, to connect myself with the world, with our society, with the environment, with the nature, with everything. Storytelling allowed me to keep a memory of my experience, my story. I talk about the long process every people need to live, the adversity to become better. Number 4, the reason why I launched a YouTube channel. There were different opportunities to me. Pandemic time, lockdown, crisis time, economic crisis have a big impact on all of us, and it was a very good opportunity for me to become better. Number 5, how to become more creative, productive, and efficient. I experienced this in the different period of my life with my educative process to grow up. From my birth, I talk about the process to become better, a good people, a woman or a man. To become more creative, productive, and efficient takes a long time because you need to learn a lot of abilities and skills you need to become better. I just experience this every single day. I think it's very important to connect yourself with yourself. Being human, connection you could have with everything, with people, is very powerful. Number 6, to realize I can change my paradigm. Bruce Lipton, Joe Dispenza. I learned so much with these both mentors. What you are going to do to become your best version. Understand how the emotional quota is working versus the intellectual quota is very interesting to understand. How to become more sensitive, intuitive, how to use the different tools of your potential to grow up, to grow your conscience, to grow your vision of our society, of the world, of the connection every people have. You could work with the time or without with the time. It just depends on the experience of being human.